Oh no, I just closed my Word document without saving it. Sound familiar? Before you panic and start rewriting everything from scratch, there are a few things you can try to recover that lost Word document. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover an unsaved Microsoft Word document, including a quick method built into Word that many people don't even know exists. But before I do continue, please like and subscribe, hype the video, please share. So I've got a Microsoft Word document opened up here, but before I show you how to recover an unsaved Word document, this is something I do all the time. When I open up a brand new blank Word document, at the top, just above the ribbon here in the options, here you see an option called AutoSave. Now what I do always is I always check to see whether this toggle has been switched on. The reason for this is to ensure that whatever work you are doing on Word is automatically being saved. But you need to make sure that you've signed into your OneDrive account, because it will save it directly, automatically onto your OneDrive. So you need to sign into your OneDrive by clicking on this option and following the process there. You're probably wondering though, actually, how often does this save automatically in Microsoft Word? Well, you can check this. If you go into the top left hand corner here, click on File, then go down here, go to Options, it will open up this pop-up box with lots of different menu options here on the left in the grey. If you click on Save, now in here you can check Save Auto Recover information every 10 minutes. Now you can increase this to suggest how often you want that document or the information in the document to be saved, or you can decrease this. So if you want the document to be saved every 5 minutes, you will select 5 minutes, but at the bottom it's really important to click OK. So now when I'm working in Microsoft Word, if I have this toggle switched on, which I haven't because I'll need to sign into my OneDrive, I'll know it will save my work in Word every 5 minutes. The main thing I wanted to show you is how to recover an unsaved Word document. Now, I've done a lot of work in Word, and let's for example say I close this accidentally, click on the cross, click on Don't Save. You're probably thinking, oh my gosh, I've lost everything. You haven't. This is what you need to do to recover that unsaved Word document. At the bottom, click on your search bar, go to Microsoft Word, open up a new instance of Microsoft Word, go to here. From this screen, what you need to do is go to More Documents here at the bottom right hand corner. And once you're here, at the bottom you will see an option which says Recover Unsaved Documents. Click on that and it will open up this pop-up box. And what you do, you sort by date modified, so you want the most latest one at the top, and you can see this is the latest Word document which has been saved into my Word folder, and I just double click on it to open that up. And what you've simply done, it says here you've recovered an unsaved file. This has been temporarily saved into your device. This is just a quick and easy video showing you how to recover an unsaved Word document, meaning you don't have to panic anymore. You know what to do with this quick tip. Remember these 4 things. Recover unsaved documents, you can do. You can check your recent documents, look for auto recover files, and search your computer for those Word recovery files. But the other thing I showed you today is how to switch on the auto save feature, which will mitigate against you having to find an unsaved file in Word. If this video saved you from having to rewrite the entire document, hit that like button. Please hype this video, please subscribe, and if you want more quick Microsoft Word and Windows tips, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one.